Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the Roblox not launching issue on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your device. The simplest fix is to restart your device. Press and hold the power button, select Restart, and once the device reboots, try launching Roblox again. Step 2. Check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox, and check if there is an update available. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Step 3. Clear app cache. If Roblox still won't launch, clear its cache. Go to your device settings, tap apps and app management, find Roblox from the list, and then tap on storage. Select clear cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Step 4. Check internet connection. Roblox requires a stable internet connection to run. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your router or switch networks if necessary. Step 5. Free up storage space. Insufficient storage can also prevent Roblox from launching. Check your device available storage and delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Aim for at least 1 GB of free storage. Step 6. Reinstall Roblox. If the problem persists, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or App Store. This ensures you have a clean installation of the latest version. Step 7. Check device compatibility. Make sure your device meets Roblox system requirements. Outdated software or hardware may prevent the app from running. Update your operating system if needed. Step 8. Check Roblox server status. Finally, the issue might not be with your device. Search for Roblox server status online to see if the servers are down or undergoing maintenance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Roblox not launching issue. If this guide helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.